to my channel. Today I will be making Kar Mam. Kar Mam. The ingredients that you will need catfish, pork shoulder, long purple eggplants. Here I have tamarind paste, chili, shallots, salt, garlic, Kar Mam. This is fish paste, fish sauce, palm sugar, scotch-knot, chicken soup mix, masala soup. And for your vegetable, for the side dish, I have here some banana blossom, cucumber, crunchy eggplant, baby corn, broccoli, long green beans, bamboo shoots. This is young jackfruit right here, and then morning glory. Kar Mamនេះដូចមានប្រយោជន៍ចេកប្រសក់ត្រប់ស្រួយពោតផ្កាស្ពៃប្រគួនតាពាំងហើយនឹងថ្នោតហើយនឹងសណ្តែកគោយើងអាចប្រើបន្លែក៏បានដែរ Okay. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to prepare your fish. មុនដំបូងយើងនឹងកាប់ត្រីយើង You can use, I have any kind of fish. This seems to be pretty big, so I'm just going to use only half. So you're going to cut the fish. You're going to steak it. Okay, you're going to cut it about an inch or so apart. You can cut with your kong na. Just like that. Just put it back in here. After you cut your fish, now I'm going to mince my pork. You're gonna cut this into small pieces first, and then you're gonna mince it. After you mince a little bit, you're gonna add in your garlic and chili. បន្ទាប់ពីយើងច្រាមសាច់ជ្រូកបានតិចហើយយើងដាក់ម្ទេសហើយនឹងខ្ទឹមសយើងណាយើងច្រាមវាហើយយើងអ្នកម៉ាំយើងហ្នឹង with the fish paste, you're going to mince it together with the pork. ហើយយើងនឹងច្រាមម៉ាំជាមួយសាច់ជ្រូកដែរ When you're almost done, you're gonna mince your tamarind paste too, and make sure you get the seedless kind. Add a little bit oil. That fine thick. 2 tablespoons. Hai pi sập rịa bái. You're gonna add in your shallot, some palm, so your palm sugar. That's soft now. Okay. Now that our sugar is ready, I'm gonna add in the minced meat. Soup. Try vô. Riêng cha xanh ở riêng cha ăn tía ở riêng smooth xanh. You're gonna stir fry this until the water kind of evaporate a little bit, and then you're gonna add in your fish. Mà tao mới đặt tray đại về chỗ đó. Okay, nó nhận đặt tray về chỗ này. Mix it. Chuối it. It's pretty good. And you're gonna stir your fish and your meat together. Fish about to cook. Rồi, tray yang chật ấy,យើងដាក់បន្លែចូលណា. You're gonna add in your eggplant. And you give this a toss, couple toss. You go where people the love. Hay chặt vào châu đó. And then that is gonna add in your water. It's only using about enough water just to cover the meat and everything. Nhận đặt tất tần một tí bắn lại về hai smile sạch một smile bà lại vậy. That much. Let it cook. Okay, you're going to cook this for about 20 minutes. Nhưng ngọt với bà hai thay tí á. Lâu cho nó hay những plot mơ tất nó. And just take a final taste. sweet. Alright, that's a wrap for today អរគុណច្រើនបងប្អូនដែលបានតាមដានវីដេអូខ្ញុំបើមិនតាម subscribe ទេសូមជួយចុច subscribe មួយហើយចុច like មួយមកឲ្យខ្ញុំមានកម្លាំងចិត្តថតវីដេអូថតថែมទៀតឥឡូវហ្នឹងជម្រាបលាជួបគ្នានៅសប្តាហ៍ក្រោយបាយបាយ